Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belleville Auto Spa. And no, this isn't a chemicalized video. This is about Superior Products Whitewall 1000 Whitewall / tire cleaner. So if you follow my channel, I'm always on a quest to find good tire cleaners. Bonus if it's a wheel and tire cleaner. I just recently reviewed Dark Fury. That is a wheel and tire cleaner, pretty good one. But now we're going to try out Whitewall 1000. So my buddy Noe, he suggested this, and it is pretty affordable. So this is about $12, $13 a gallon plus shipping, or you can go to O'Reilly's. They can order it for you, pick it up in store. You don't have to pay shipping. Superior is known for their quality chemicals. I mean, they call them Superior, which it reflects in the quality of their stuff. So they've got everything under the sun that you need. They got all your bases covered on chemicals. So if we look at this stuff here, irritant, blah, blah, Prop 65 warning. What am I looking for? Here we go. Those are the instructions. Shake well. Product is concentrated. Should be diluted 4:1 with water. Adjust dilutions as needed. Spray onto the dirty tire, and grime will immediately begin to dissolve. And then you scrub it and you rinse it. So this isn't a wheel cleaner, and you may be able to get away with it on certain wheels. Now we're going to be cleaning the car with hubcaps here. This is mainly made for tires, specifically white wall, so you can get your white wall nice and clean. I know a lot of people like Wesley's Bleach White. Well, Wesley's has not made that stuff in years. It's made by, who is it? Company that owns Rain-X and what's the other company? Black Magic. It's Black Magic Bleach White, and it sucks now. It's super watered down. It's terrible. But I did want to test the pH of this stuff, so let me grab my pH tester, and we'll see how this is. Dark Fury was around 11. So we're going to see if this is even more of an alkaline cleaner than Dark Fury after it's been diluted 4:1. All right, so I got that in there. Grab the pH tester, which recently I just rinsed in water. Get that set in. And we are at a pH about 11. Still climbing though. Yeah, about 11. It's about the same pH as Dark Fury. So slightly, just a tad higher. Nothing crazy. So this is also an alkaline cleaner, but different surfactant than Dark Fury. So that's why they look so different. This is clear, where Dark Fury is brown because of the surfactant. Let's get over to the tire. We'll go ahead, spray it down, scrub it off, and see how it does. All right, so we got a dirty, nasty SUV tire here. You can see crap that's on it. So it doesn't say to pre-rinse or pre-spray or anything, but again, this does say it's just a tire cleaner. It's not a wheel cleaner. So let's see. Now, first impression, oh God, the wind's blowing right back at me. First impressions, the stuff does not foam up crazy right out of the sprayer, which I like. Excuse me, I prefer when it foams up out of the sprayer, but you can see it's pulling the browning off immediately, so that's a good sign. You can see all the runoff right there of all that browning. It's pulling right off the tire, so all that tire blooming, it's pulling it right away. So let's get the tire brush, scrub this thing down, see how clean we get it. Let's see how dirty that is. All right. Another good sign of a good cleaner is after you clean the brush and rinse it, if it's still white, which this is, so that's good. Let's rinse this tire off. I'm gonna do another round to see how clean it got it. All right. So looks clean, but to confirm, we'll just do it again. All right, so not really getting any browning that time, so that's good. Yeah, I got it clean. Got nice white foam now, so nothing really left in there. So good tire cleaner. Absolutely. Nothing but goodness there. All right, so pretty happy with that. Let's go for the final thoughts. All right, so Whitewall 1000. See, it got the tire clean in that first pass, so pretty good. Really got no complaints there. Now this isn't a wheel-end tire cleaner because of how it can react with your certain finishes on wheels, but tires, it's good for, if you want wheel-end tires, I'd say get Dark Fury. Dark Fury, not as hard-hitting of a tire cleaner, but it does your wheels as well. But again, that's only for clear-coated wheels. It's not for like aluminum or anything like that. But I got no complaints here. I guess my only criticism is I wish it foamed better. Now, if you follow my channel, you know I've been a long-time user of Adam's wheel and tire cleaner. Just started recently reviewing Shine Supply Wise Guy and Armor Detail Supply's tire cleaner. Armor Detail Supply is just about as concentrated as this. Wise Guy and Adams are not. So you're definitely getting a better value with this or with Armor. But this is definitely a great option. I mean, you can't beat the price of this, dude. For a gallon for 12, 13 bucks. I think Armor's is going to cost like around 40 bucks before any discounts or wholesale or anything. And if you get wholesale with O'Reilly's, pretty sure you can get this even cheaper. So that is an insanely good value. If you're out there doing fleets, truck tires, classic cars, you know, you are doing actual white walls, I would definitely say pick some of this stuff up. Amazing. So yeah, no, he was right. This is a really good product. So glad I got it. Just add to another of my million chemicals there, not including what's in these cabinets behind here. But pretty good stuff. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried Whitewall 1000 or what your favorite product from Superior is in the comments below, or just feel free to share your thoughts. I definitely appreciate it, and I like interacting with each and every one of you. But that's all I got for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Keep them clean, and as always, have a good one.